no one you got me singing all day. Girl, I wanna be with you. They don't do me the way you do.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is African Jewel, and today we are here for another Igbo class. This is going to be how you address yourself and others and just people around you in general. So these are words you can use in your everyday sentences and just engaging yourself and others in a conversation. So guys, are you guys ready to start this class? Are you ready? Alright, so basically people have been asking me to open the class in Igbo, but the majority of the people that actually come to learn Igbo don't know how to speak Igbo. So if I start to speak in Igbo without explaining what I'm saying, all of us will be lost. Are you understanding where I'm going with this conversation now? So let's start with English, and then by the time I know that you guys have graduated, you know, you're now a pro, you can be speaking Igbo anyhow, anywhere, then and only then will I be opening Igbo from beginning to end. You see me? Okay, so without any further ado guys, let's get right into this class right now. Okay, as per usual, if I'm looking down, I'm looking at my notebook. So these are where I write down all my notes and prep for classes before I start teaching them. So guys, the first word that we're going to learn how to say, not the first word, the first sentence we're going to learn how to say is, my name is Ikenna. My name is, like me, I can say my name is African Jewel, but let's use an Igbo name for the sake of, you know, being an Igbo class. So my name is Ikenna. Ikenna is usually a name for a boy. I don't know if it's a unisex name, but I don't think so. But most people called Ikenna is a name used for a boy. So how do I now say this in Igbo? So if you want to introduce yourself, you say Ahamobo Ikenna. So let's say it one more time. Ahamobo Ikenna. Come on, yeah? You know how we do. We go slowly, but we're gonna get the work done, yeah? So let's say it one more time. Ahamobo Ikenna. Come on, yeah? Ahamobo Ikenna. Okay, yeah? Okay, so once again, if we're going fast or too slow, you can either pause the video, repeat the words to yourself, and then we'll continue. So let's say it one more time. Ahamobo Ikenna. Last time. Ahamobo Ikenna. See, that's it. You got it. That's it. You've just done it. So guys, that's how you say my name is Ikenna in Igbo. Ahamobo Ikenna. So just replace Ikenna with whatever your name is when you want to introduce yourself to someone. Yeah, let's go on to the next word. Okay, so guys, we are about to go into the second word. The second word is when you want to introduce someone else. So if you want to say your name is Ugonna, how do you say that to someone? So the Igbo translation is Ahage bu Ugonna. Are you seeing the difference? Ahage bu Ugonna, not Aham. So Aham means my name. Ahage is you introducing someone else. Does that make sense? Are we getting it? Are we getting it? I hope you're getting it. So let's say a few more times and we'll move on to the next sentence. So Ahage bu Ugonna. Let's say it a few more times. Ahage bu Ugonna. Let's say it a few more times, guys. Ahage bu Ugonna. Let's say it for the last time, guys. Ahage bu Ugonna. So that's how you say your name is Ugonna in Igbo. See, you just got it. That's 2 sentences down. Like, you guys are learning Igbo. You guys are about to become pros. You are about to become a pro right now, and I stand you. So let's go on to the third sentence. Okay, so the third word is you again introducing someone else. If you want to say his name, if someone asks you who is that person and you want to say his name is Nana, his name is Nana. That's the English word. His name is Nana. Nana is another Igbo name. If you guys want me to do like translations of Igbo names, comment below. So guys, I'll do a video on that with different Igbo names for boys, Igbo name for girls, and the meanings. Yeah, so comment below. But yeah, how do you now say that in Igbo? His name is Ugonna. So if you're with your friend and you're trying to introduce your friend to someone else, to say his name is Nana. Listen again to the change of the words. Ahaya bu Nana. Yeah? So the first one was Aham. The second one was Ahage. The third one we're in now is ahaya bo nana. So let's say it a few more times. Ahaya bo nana. Come on, let's say it a few more times, guys. Ahaya bo nana. Come on, you're almost there, guys. So let's take it very slowly. Ahaya bo nana. Last time. Ahaya bo nana. See, told you can do it. So if I'm going too fast or you guys can keep up, just pause me and then repeat the rest to yourself and then carry on with the lesson. So you don't have to, just go at your pace. Yeah, go at your pace, pause the video, continue whenever you want to do it. Don't rush yourself. It's a whole language you guys are learning, so just take your time with it. Yeah, it will become a lifestyle. Just saying. So let's go on to the which word? Number 4. Yeah, the 4. Okay, so if I want to introduce my father to someone, so if I go to an event and my dad is there with me and I want to introduce my father, so in order for you to say my father's name is what name? Okay, let me actually use, no, I don't want to use my dad's name. Okay, my father's name is, when I say I actually have to say my father's name, so I need to think about even, why is it so hard? Oh, isn't it my dad's name that's coming to my head now? What's my dad? Okay, guys, let's roll it up for part 2. Let's take this again, okay? Let's say my father's name is Okafor or something. So replace Okafor with your father's name. So how do you now say this? Listen again to the words that are changing. It's the same thing, but there's keywords changing when you're saying me, you, his, her, father, my mother. So let's say, how do you say my father's name is? Ahanamobo Okafor. I think that's the name I used. Yeah. Let's say it again. Afa Asamafa. People say Afa as name, but I say Aha. Aha Namobo Okafor. So let's be consistent with the words we're using. Aha Namobo Okafor. So guys, let's say a few more times. Aha Namobo Okafor. Remember in one of my Igbo classes, I did say father translates to nna. So that's why it says aha nnamu bo Okafor. So aha, name, nnamu, nna is my father, nnamu means my father, Okafor, your father's name. So aha nnamu bo Okafor. Let's say for the last time slowly. Aha nnamu bo Okafor. So you just got it. So whenever you go out with your dad and you guys want to introduce him, you know, he would think you don't know how to speak Igbo. Just show up and give it to him. Be like, aha namubo, whatever your father's name is, and replace it. I promise you, he will be shocked and impressed at the same time. That's how you do it. Yeah? So let's go on to the next sentence, guys. You know. Okay. So now that you know how to introduce your father, obviously you have to know how to introduce your mother. Because if you go to an event with both of them, you have to know how to introduce both of them. So how do I say my mother is so and so? So if you want to say my mother's name is Adako, so your mother, you want to introduce your mother, so replace Adako with your mother's name. So let's go again. Aha nnem bo Adako. So remember, mother in Igbo is nne. Me is, or mine is so aha nnemu, mu is me. So aha nnemu bo Adako. So let's say a few more times. Aha nnemu bo Adako. Let's say a few more times, guys. Aha nnemu bo Adako. A little bit slowly, yeah. Aha nnemu bo Adako. So you see it there. So when you go out to an event, you can introduce your father and your mother. Aha nnamu bo Adako. It's my father's name is, I say Adako. Aha nnamu bo Okafor. So your father's name is Okafor. Aha nnemu bo Adako. My mother's name is Adako. So there you have it. You can now introduce both your parents at any event that you go to. So let's go on to the next sentence. Okay, so you have learned how to introduce your mother and your father. So now we're going to move on to introducing your siblings. So if you want to introduce your sister, you want to say my sister's name is Chiamaka. Okay, so how do you say my sister's name is Chiamaka? So replace Chiamaka with whatever your sister's name is, and with whatever your sister's name is, and there you go. So how do you say my sister's name is Chiamaka? Aha nwannem bụ Chiamaka. So how do you say it? So I'm looking down my note if I'm looking down, guys. So how did you say it? Aha nwannem bụ Chiamaka. My sister's name is Chiamaka. So how do you say that? Let's take it slowly again. Aha nwannem bụ Chiamaka. Let's say it a few more times, guys. Aha nwannem bụ Chiamaka. Nwannem is like my sibling, so you can use it for your brother or your sister. So if your brother's name is Ebuka, you want to say aha nwannem bụ Ebuka. Aha nwannem bụ Chiamaka. So nwannem is like an umbrella for, both brothers and sisters. So you can use it as, unisex. Is the word I'm looking for. So aha nwannem bụ Chiamaka. Yeah, so my sister's name is Chiamaka, or my brother's name is Ebuka. Whichever one you want to use it is kind of say the same, just replace the name at the end. So let's take it slowly once again. Aha nwannem bụ Chiamaka. Let's repeat it for the last time. Aha nwannem bụ Chiamaka. There you go, you have it. So wherever you go with your brothers, your sisters, your cousins that you see as, as sisters and brothers, that's how you can introduce them to other people. So aha nwannem bụ whatever your sibling's name is, or your brother or your sisters. So yeah, there you have it. Let's go on to the next sentence, guys. Okay, so guys, say you go to an event and you see your teacher there and you want to introduce your teacher to your parents. So if you want to say my teacher's name is Amaka, how do you say that in Igbo? Okay, so how do you say this? You say aha onye nkuzi m bụ Amaka. Onye nkuzi is teacher in Igbo. Onye nkuzi is teacher in Igbo. So let's put that all together in a sentence. Aha onye nkuzi m bụ Amaka. Let's say it one more time. Aha onye nkuzi m bụ Amaka. Let's say it a couple more times. Aha onye nkuzi m bụ Amaka. Come on, let's say a few more times, guys. Aha onye nkuzi m bụ Amaka. See, guys, you're saying it, you're getting there. So let's say it for the last time slowly. Aha onye nkuzi m bụ Amaka. There you have it, guys. There you absolutely have it. So I hope you guys learned a couple more sentences today and you guys enjoyed this video. We are going to have a lot more Igbo classes coming up, guys. Comment below if you want me to do the Igbo boy's name and Igbo girl's name video, and if you want me to share Igbo music with you, talk about Igbo foods. So comment below, and guys, I will get this video across to you. If there's anything you want to learn, comment it in this comment section and I will get it out there for you guys. Okay guys, that's all we have on introducing yourselves and others in Igbo in our class today. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys really did learn something, make sure you guys share this video to other people. Let's spread the language of Igbo to the world. Let's learn it. Let it not die with our generation, Let the next generation that comes after us know how to speak our language. Let us be proud of where we are from. So guys, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I drop my videos every Sunday, so just stay tuned. I will every Sunday come back and watch a new video. But if you subscribe, you get a notification. If you click that little thingy bing bell thingy on whatever side it is and click it, and I hope to see you guys back here next Sunday. I'll see you guys later. Bye.